What's up YouTube, Kyle here to bring you guys another video. So I recently picked some more shoes up off of Foot Locker just because these restocked. I'm going to be opening these up. I had these for about a week in my room. Just been too busy to kind of open it, but now I can. So let's just get a look into these. Okay, so let's open this up. I already like what I see. I've already seen the box just because of the reviews online. This was just upside down just because I don't want to put my address and stuff, but like, yeah, I'm really liking this box. Honestly, seeing this box, all the reviews and whatnot, like, seeing it in person is just so hype. This is actually the second retro I've owned in my life. So I just started technically collecting sneakers since last year. So this is just me being super excited. Like, seeing this gold box, and this is why, like, I can understand now why I would not be buying like lows and mids as much, just because like I don't hate lows or mids. They're just like when you have when you can kind of purchase a high or like the premium sneaker version of it, then you kind of like would rather get the more premium version just because of materials, right? Because I have 4 lows. I do have the Gym Red lows, like the black toe low tops. I have the royal toe lows. I also have the gold toe, and I also have the New Beginnings. So I kind of like already know like material isn't amazing. Like, or the royal toe, I do like the royal toe material. So other than that, like I also have one Gym Red high, and that I did cheap out on it. Like, I still was able to get retail, but I had to go up a size. I went half up a size because I never purchased the Jordan 1 high before. That was before I picked up my lows, so now I just go to true to size. But let's get into this. Like, opening up the box, you see this is Unite. I'm reading it from like upside down. This is Unite. The Jordan logo is like the eye, but the wax paper is definitely like more premium as compared to like a Jordan 1 low box. Like, it's for the price, right? These are so hard. Like, I know my friend was like, "Oh, we hit GRs," and I was like, kind of, just because they did restock, but I like. These are so hype, honestly. Take out the first two. Like, you have the gold Jumpman on the tongue, and you have the gold dog tag. Like, this shoe is so hype. Like, you have gold on the sole, the midsole. You can also see the gold air bubble. There's a blue translucent outsole with the gold Jumpman. Like, what turned me off when I initially saw basically images of the shoe was like the nubuck, just because I'm not really a fan of like the nubuck material, especially because I have the low, but this material is really nice. Like, so initially, like, yeah, this shoe does cost like 300 Canadian, so obviously you want to pay. You better hope the materials are there, right? In terms of quality, this shoe also, like, what also interested me about the shoe is because hasn't been released since like 2006, so definitely some like history there as well. The back tab is like this black and gold, metallic gold. You can see, feels like it's a race car, very race car inspired type of shoe. It's definitely hype. This top part is like very it's very squishy. Wasn't really a fan of it just because it bulges out, but it's definitely really sick. And as you can see, there's a gold dog tag with the Jumpman on it. It's definitely hype. Can't wait to put these on feet. Let's show you guys how the other side looks like. Honestly, I really don't even want to sell these. If I have to, like, I think these are just gonna be worn forever until like I beat them to the ground and until they restock. Like I've never really, this is like actually my first pair of Jordan 6s. I've never had infrareds. I don't know if I would be interested. They're like definitely hype. I definitely like the new one that's supposed to come out next year, the black and lime green one, just because I like the color scheme of black and lime green. But definitely this shoe. Oof. Can't wait to put these on feet. I'm going to show you guys how this look on feet. So if you guys like this video so far, comment, rate, like, subscribe for the YouTube algorithm so I can put out more videos, and then this will be, it'll basically just be on the algorithm for YouTube so that you can see more of my stuff. And yeah, it's just better that way, right? Okay, so I had to use a shoehorn to put these on. They're they're like really annoying to put on just because I don't want to rip the spoiler. It also creases like the side of the shoe, so I did have to use a shoehorn. But they're definitely fresh on feet. Comfort wise, they're nice. I think I would use these more for like fall, just because the material is like kind of a nubuck type of material, so I feel like it would be too hot in the summertime. Maybe at night, but it's not as hot for the cold. That's how I look. These on. Yeah, the spoiler is definitely the biggest issue that I have, just because it's very fragile. But to give you a closer look, it's definitely stealth like look, right? Yeah, so ignore what I previously said while I was doing the on feed, just because like I was feeling them on feed and it's kind of hot outside. But there's definitely this material right here is like, it's definitely thinner than the other, this material over here. There's also air holes in here so your feet can breathe, so it's pretty good. It's actually nice. The only issue I have with the shoe itself is like I can see the glue, so there's like poor quality control on these. Like they're definitely like feeling more mass release, because I think the more I check like Twitter and stuff like that, the more restocks are coming out, so that's why you can definitely see the poor quality control on these, like the gluing and stuff. And they're still nice, right? They're still dope, but just the quality, and then like they're like sticky when you first stick them in the box. That was just mine, right? My friend was just laughing at like when I told him like they're like sticky when you take them out. It's really weird. Like he's like, what did they do to your shoes? I was like, no idea. Had these for a while anyway, so I was like, do I want to sell these? I was telling my friend, I was like, do I want to sell these, but I want to keep the box. But yeah, if you guys like this video and want to see more content from me, comment, rate, subscribe, like, share this video, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so I can get more stuff up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.